Snoring, like all other sounds, is caused by vibrations that cause particles in the air to form sound waves. For example, when we speak, our vocal cords vibrate to form our voice. When our stomach growls, barbarigmus, our stomach and intestines vibrate as air and food move through them. While we are asleep, turbulent airflow can cause the tissues of the nose and throat to vibrate and give rise to snoring. Essentially, snoring is a sound resulting from turbulent airflow that causes tissues to vibrate during sleep. Snoring symptoms. Snoring is a noise that you may make while breathing during sleep. Snoring can be soft, loud, raspy, harsh, hoarse, or fluttering. Your bed partner may notice that you sleep with your mouth open and that you're restless while sleeping. If snoring interferes with your or your bed partner's sleep, either or both of you may feel tired during the day. If you temporarily stop breathing during the night, you may have sleep apnea, a serious condition. Treatments for snoring. If you've tried the self-help solutions to stop snoring without success, don't give up hope. Medical cures and treatments could make all the difference. New advances in the treatment of snoring are being made all the time, and the various devices available to stop snoring are becoming more and more effective and comfortable. So even if your doctor recommends something that in the past you found to be uncomfortable or ineffective at stopping your snoring, that doesn't mean the same will be true now. Snoring is a common disease, yet every individual needs unique treatment and care. We encourage people with snoring and their families to learn as much as possible about the latest medical treatment and approaches, as well as healthy lifestyle choices. For more information about snoring and how to treat snoring, just click on the link at description or visit www.mainmd.com. Thank you.